If you want to search by image on Samsung Galaxy A27, what you can do is you can, for example, use circle to search on your phone. So let's say I'm going to go to gallery. Over here, I'm going to open, let's say, this picture over here, this photo. And now I should be able to activate circle to search by pressing and holding my finger on the home button or the navigation bar, depending on the type of the navigation style. And over here, I can draw a shape around the subject that I want to look for in Google. And there we go here. And now I can search by using my image as a reference. And I can get, like, for example, some offers, maybe AI overview with the explanation and some visual matches as well, or even exact matches over here. You can still adjust the reference area in case it has been selected incorrectly. And there we go. This allows you to quickly search for the same subject or to search for information about the subject by using circle search and by getting Google search results. Now, there is also a possibility to use Google Lens, which is pretty similar feature, and usually it is accessible, for example, over here on this Google search bar. So here we have this camera icon. You want to tap over here, we open Google Lens. Of course, you can grant all the necessary permissions, and usually Google Lens is used with the camera, so you can just point at the subject if you found something in real life that you want to search for, but you should also be able to tap on this gallery icon. And then here you should be able to choose a photo that should be used as a reference. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. And there we go. It's pretty much the same as circle to search, as you can see over here. So I assume it's just easier to use circle to search instead of using Google Lens and trying to find Google Lens. Of course, gallery is just an example, and you can use that circle to search feature pretty much at any point, whatever you have open on your phone. So this can be even like the Google app, maybe something that you found in another app. Of course, you should be able to activate it pretty much at any point, and then you can select the reference area, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.